guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do Tower of Hell Part 2, I think so. So let's get it over. So I really was trying to do with the OGM, but he really closed Discord with me. We called each other, but he said he need to leave. So I think I'm going to do it by myself. So this is oh my god. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to try to win a noob tower and a pro tower. No. A pro tower. Because I think if he won a noob tower, it's easy for me. And I think it's easy winning noob tower. But I don't think it's easy for winning a pro tower. So we even finished a minute of the round video. I didn't even say anything. It was just almost intro. So I'm gonna say for you like this. So I'm really, oh my god, Roblox is not responding up. That's making me mad. Oh, I hear something. Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot that. So, it appears you have been by yourself in this call for more than 5 minutes. The bandwidth has asked me to disconnect you. That stuff doesn't grow trees. Anyways, I don't know what they're saying. So I think this pro tower is almost done. So that means I think this one was a little hard for me even to do. So I'm really happy that I got it out. No, it's hard. This is hard. Even first round, it's just the first round is hard. So, yeah. Really, the first round is real hard. So I think it's almost done. Bye. Okay. I hope this is a better tower. So we started a tower. Okay, neon jumps. You're kidding me. Maybe you're kidding. I really don't like neon jumps. Oh my god, what is happening? Oh. Yeah. Nice. No, what I do? I'm trying to do some, some escape the thingy obby. So is this even possible? It's not even possible. Oh, we have it. It is possible now. Yeah, hi. This is supposed to be the first one, and she's gotta be the last one. Don't get in front of me, girl. I want to be really fast. This is why I don't want to be really fast. So I don't want to do this zombie. So I think I want to go here. You're sucky. She fell. No, she didn't. Better for her. Ooh, this guy is in front. Oh, this guy just died right now. So guys, I'm going to put in the link. I'm going to put a link in the description. My Discord. It will be available right now. I didn't even put things on it, but you could join until I fix it. I just put in the rules channel. I still want to put more things like voice more channels and things that you can play with your friends. Like, yeah, I'm trying my best to get it over. But the rules is really like kind of bad, you could say. I don't know how to say the rules. Like, I'm trying to do the rules to be all of you guys to be nice to each other. This is going to make me feel better, like 1,000 times better. Because I don't need to get in so much. In the rules, like you try to come at me if somebody said for you bad words, like, and I'm trying my best really to get it over because this is over. I have enough. Oh my god, my frozen here. I have enough. Like I see so much people in other discords that I joined, and surely I'm going to put also OGM Discord, but not here. I could put his channel, but like if he did a video with me in my channel, I'm going to put him, but not always. Like I'm going to only put his Discord once. Oh, when he do with me, because he did for me some things that is really bad that he didn't do with me the video. So he takes this. He takes this. I'm gonna give him only the Discord. I think he's even more popular than me, but I'm like I'm saying anything anyway. Like no way anything happens. No way anything happens. So get it over. So oh okay. So get it over, baby. Let's get over and get the win. It's probably so unbelievable if I did it. Yay, unbelievable. I'm not going to do this because you can't see how much amount I need to go. But you guys, I'm not going to talk because I'm full focus mode. No! Now I'm surely going not to do this. You game. I'm going to go full focus mode. I'm a ball. Sorry for not talking, but yeah. No! Okay. Don't want this to be about video. So you're going to try to win here. You want a new game? Oh, I wanted this game to get so fastly done. No, not the video that flipping game. I need to try to win. So guys, I said for you before that my max to talk with you is just 15 minutes. It's not really my rules. It's the website that I'm using rules. I can't do videos except of 15 minutes. That's why I'm really mad. Like really, I need to find a new website that I work on my videos because this is annoying. But I really don't want to get your time done, like time down watching my videos. I really like. I think why do I like say things like popular? Only people say like I'm trying my best to be a little active on my YouTube channel. Yeah, but it's not working. Because yeah, not just working, not even working. No, this game sucks. Oh, guys, no. We just have one more minute. Please, time. Okay, I need to win. I just need to win. Where is it? Oh, I saw it running so fast. I couldn't believe it. That this is doing that fast. Let's get it over. We need to win for you guys. And I'm trying to do a group on Roblox. So, like, yeah. So I do giveaways on giving some Robux. If you don't know that I have little Robux, but I can't buy with it anything, but I could give it away for you guys. I want likes and I want you to put your username so you enter. So now I don't have that much Robux to give away for you guys. So I'm going to get more Robux. I already have 7 only. I don't know how to use it. That's why I'm a suck. Because I can't do anything. Like, is this the end? Like, I want Robux to buy things for myself before I give it to you guys. And I'm not probably